Hi, if you'd like to know how to make an assignment with the help of Camscanner app, then stay tuned to watch this video. Guys, I am in my phone screen. Now I am going to show you how to scan your documents or assignment using Camscanner app in your smartphone. This is Camscanner app. Download it from any app store, but I highly recommend you to download it from Google Play Store for your security reason. Right, let's go to Camscanner. Now we are in Camscanner. Now to start scanning, you have to click on this camera icon, which is in bottom right hand corner. Now here are a lot of options. You can on your flash here. This is flash auto, on off, or torch. Right, this is quality of your image. Right, and keeping on this one. This one is auto rotation, auto rotate. It will automatically detect your image. Right, now there are options here. This is sound. This option is for sound. This is for your grid, and this one is your for what you can say. This is balance or something kind of like that. See, this will show you with the help of something compass like that. Right, now let's turn off it. Now there are a lot of options here. Docs, ID card, book, but it's recommended to keep it on docs. That means documents. Now let's start. To take photo, now just click on camera icon. Now it's taken. Now you can crop as per your need. Cropping is automatically detect the color, magic color. You can keep it original or lighten, something like that. This will looks best in magic color. Now you can click on this back for retaking, for left, for rotating, recognize not available in this feature. Modify like color contrast, something like that. Right, now it's saving. Now if you want to take more image or documents, then just click on continue, or you can change your name of your documents here. Just click change name, assignment. Okay, now I want to add more image here. I'm just clicking on continue. Now just do it once again. Same procedure. Right. Just click and save. If you want to take more, then you can click on continue, or you can save. Now just click on share PDF. I'm going to convert it on PDF, so that you have to click on share PDF. And there are a lot of options: WhatsApp, Gmail, Telegram, but you have to click on save to local in order to save your file in your file manager. It is saved, done. Right, even after this you can add this more image here. Right, it's done. Now let me show you one more tricks. Okay, if you have question paper and front page ready, or it is compulsory to merge your question paper before starting your assignment. So how do you merge your question paper with this application? Even I had made this video of merging your front page or question paper with your assignment using different app, but now I'm going to show you merging your documents as say front page or question paper with this Camscanner app. I'll show you how to do it. Now just click on if the format of your assignment, if the format of your front page or question paper is in image, then you have to import it from gallery. And if the format is in PDF, then you have to click it on PDF. I'm just going here. So, front page or something like that. Just clicking on just randomly any. It is done. You can click any of the. You can select or deselect any images here. It is selected. Question paper AMK1. I'm importing it. Now it's imported. Right. After that, you can start scanning again. Like this. It's very easy. You can do that like this. Right. Now you can rename it, PDF setting, import from gallery. Even you can import after taking some images, or you can save now, share PDF. Save to local, or you can even save to your Google Drive so that you can share your link. Right, that's all in this video. I'm sure you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more update like this related to IGNOU, and for like how to technology related video for IGNOU assignment or any application or like any content like this. Thank you for being with me. Keep watching, keep learning. Bye bye.